happy
All
to
right.
with you.
Okay, thank you. Titi. It's okay, Titi?
Okay, yes, I'm here.
Okay, Nurul. How about you, Nurul?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Who doesn't I call yet? Who doesn't I call yet?
Nisa.
Okay, Rosie. Are you okay, Rosie?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, other people?
Nisa.
Other student?
It's me,
Oh,
sir.
you. Who are you, yeah? Who are you? What's your name? I forget your name.
It's me, Dr. Nisa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I remember. I only want to know with your voice, right?
okay.
Okay. Okay, now, students, I'm sure that all of you in this era is like to take photo by yourself. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Especially
Dati
you
nga
use,
siya no.
yeah. Okay, until your memory is full, yeah. You like a photo by yourself, and also, I'm sure that all of you like to read a newspaper, maybe, or a magazine, or also online media, and you
No.
can find a photo on there. That's right.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like reading, sir.
You don't like reading, but you like speaking. Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay, guys. Today we will learn together about the photos and the text. The photo and the text. And this is our objective today. That after studying this lesson, you are expected to create your text in the photo. That's our and this our material. The namely is caption. Okay, now we goes to stimulation. Right. Okay, guys, look at the picture. Okay, can you see it well?
Not yet.
No.
No, not yet. That's the picture with the someone.
No
Okay.
picture, sir.
No picture? Oh my god. Maybe your signal, boys, or your signal, girl.
No.
No, your
Oh
No.
my god. Really?
your connection is error.
Sick.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's you, sir.
Oh my
Not me.
god. Really? Can you see now? Can
No.
you see? Okay, my
No,
picture?
nothing.
No.
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 I
Oh
just
my
see you.
god. So, yeah, you just see me? Oh my
Yeah.
god. I share the picture here, and you do not see that?
Yes.
Really? Now? Now can you see it?
No.
Nothing.
Not yet.
No, not yet. Really? Why? Wait.
Our signal is full, like full moon.
My signal is also full. Why cannot see my picture, yeah? Okay.
Yes, Pak. Our signal is also full, like full school day.
All right. Okay.
No.
Now, finish the picture?
Nothing.
No? Okay. Later. Right. Okay. I'll share once more, yeah? Once more. Okay. So sorry. There is unexpected
Our signal
condition.
is full. Like chocolate.
Okay. Okay, now can you see my screen?
No.
No? Oh my god.
No.
But
So how
let me
can
see my teacher. My teacher's
my
face.
god. So
Your image.
Only my face. Yeah. This one? Okay.
No.
Can
No.
you?
No.
No?
Oh yes,
Yeah,
yes,
very
ready.
No.
Ya, ini sudah.
Ready?
Good.
Okay. Okay. Can you see the picture, guys?
Yes.
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 Okay, very good. Now I'll give you one question, and I want one person to answer my question. One person only. Who wants to answer my questions? Okay. What do you think about this picture? Who want to answer? Rosie? Or Lila?
I think this is so sad.
Or Nurul? So sad.
Yes. I
He is
think
crying.
so
He is
sad.
crying.
Okay, it's crying. Okay, good. Another?
It is the
Oh, only one
picture
person.
or the sentence, Bapak?
The picture. The picture
Not
and
the
also
sentence.
the sentence. Yeah.
But,
How about Ivan? What do you think about this picture?
the picture, yeah.
Or
This
Taufik?
picture
Yes.
is about advice,
Advice and then?
important advice.
And then? Only advice?
Yes, by the picture is to support the sentence.
The picture support the sentence or sentence support the picture?
Both support each other.
Oh,
So
support each other.
The sentence must be has relation with the picture.
Okay, very good, Iva. I give you onde-onde today, ya.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, welcome. Good
Yang ganjel ya
answer.
Pak ya
Okay.
wijennya.
Biar enak.
Yang ganjel
Okay.
wijennya.
Siap. Okay, very good. Next is for problem statement. Okay, this picture again. Now, okay, look at the circle. Look at the circle. You find the circle is in the writing. And, you see the arrow. And, do you know this writing? Connie, what do you think about this writing, Connie? Connie, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you sleeping? All
Yes, I
right.
am
What do you
here.
think about? Okay. What do you think
Yes.
about this writing, Connie? Okay. What do you think about this writing, Connie?
Writing. The writing
Yeah.
is in capital letter. sir.
Capital letter. Okay. Very good. Other?
The color is
The
white.
color is white. Okay.
Oh.
Very good. Next.
Yeah, the right
Yeah.
is kind of complex sentence or
Oh.
Yeah. Saya.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good,
I,
Connie.
I don't know the meaning.
Oh, you don't know the meaning. That's no problem. That's because we have learned after this. Okay, onde for you, Connie, ya.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay, today we will learn together about this writing. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's. Okay. Hey. Okay. Check this out.
Check this out.
Okay. Yes, check this
Out.
out. Okay, can you see it well?
Yes, but I cannot read the
Make
sentences.
it bigger, sir.
It is too small to read.
Okay, you want a bigger, Lila?
I don't see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is not
Okay.
clear.
How this is? There are 5 questions. Okay. Okay, there are 5 questions. How many parts of the question? What is the first sentence described, etc. Okay, later we will use this video, and also this the answer. Okay, caption has 3 parts. The first describe who, what, when, and where for the subject, and number 3 you fully identifying, etc. Later you can write by yourself, yeah, because our time is so limited. Okay, later I'll share this material and you can read by yourself. Actually, or the important thing you have to know that the caption is the text with or in the photo. The photo to describe or to give some explanation about the photo. That's our conclusion. And the second, why, and another. Okay, later you can read by yourself, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, this definition that the caption text is short text located near the photo, yeah, like the example before, yeah. The text or short text near the photo. Okay, this is the definition. And then the purpose is to help the reader understand information. Yeah, to help reader understand about the generic structure. Generic structure, you can photos, diagram, and caption, and photo credit, photo by, like that one. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Then for the next language features, we can find in this text is prepositional phrase. Either you can read by yourself, yeah. And then infinitive phrases. What is that? You can see it. Well. And then participle phrase. What's that? You can write. You can read by yourself. And then explanation. And then questions and exclamation. Okay. Okay, now the first example. Okay, the example about the picture is thunderstorm. This is the picture, and also there is a text. You can find here the text, and also there is the source, photo and caption by Scene Heavy. This is the example of caption text. And for second example, okay, I want to ask Nurul. Nurul, are you there? Nurul? Nurul? Oh, Nurul not join. Nurul, are you there? Oh, Titi, are you there, Titi?
Yes, I'm here.
No?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Titi. Okay, do you know who is
Yes.
in the picture, Titi? Yes. Who is she, Titi?
It's the Sri Mulyani, I think.
Yes. Do you know
don't know.
what who is in the picture?
Monetary Minister. Menteri Keuangan itu tulisannya.
I think. Are you not sure about her? The
Ya, I'm
Ministry of
sorry. Oh,
the
nggak biasa
richest
nonton berita
woman
saya.
in Indonesia.
Itu di infotainment
Okay,
itu,
no
nggak di berita
problem.
biasanya.
Iya,
Okay,
tontonannya
you
entertainment, Pak.
can see
Itu
here
sering
the
di
Ministry.
infotainment.
Okay,
Oh iya, tak.
Saya ingatnya ke Menteri Anu itu Pak, ke Bank Dunia.
oh
Tahu
iya,
nggak
nontonnya
dia?
infotainment. Harusnya tadi fotonya Andin ya. Harusnya
Iya,
fotonya
harusnya
itu
fotonya
nyari mestinya
artis.
tadi. Iya, harusnya Anya Geraldine ya. Iya, kenapa kok Bu Menteri ya? Oke, no problem. Nah, ini generasi itu. The important thing, okay, to can understand, to help the reader to understand about the picture. Finance Minister Sri Mulyani get, and then there are the source is from Antara. I'm sure that all of you do not understand what is Antara. I asked to Taufik. Do you know
Yes,
Antara,
sir.
Taufik? No.
Antara. It is like
know
one of.
Do you
an
know Antara,
institution.
Taufik? What is Antara? No. Yes. What
I
is
forget,
Antara,
sir.
Taufik?
But I once
know
heard
Antara?
that.
No.
Kayak stasiun
No.
penyiaran gitu loh.
Antara itu Kantor Berita Nasional Indonesia.
Iya, kantor
Yes.
penyiaran itu.
Antar penyiaran ya?
Ke Antara memang namanya, nama Kantor Berita Nasional.
Iya.
Tiap negara punya.
Heeh.
Di Indonesia Antara.
Nama kantor penyiaran.
Yes, that's right. Pak.
Sir, I cannot hear your voice.
Unmute. Yes. You are still mute, sir.
Yes, sir. No voice, sir.
Jaringan. Mikrofon tidak berfungsi.
Oh, Pak Imam is leaving the meeting?
Loh,
Ada masalah di
Kok kita
jaringannya
ditinggal?
mungkin, Bu. Pada laptopnya itu biasanya.
katanya full jaringannya. Enggak kok
Sepertinya
ditinggalkan begitu saja
laptopnya
ya.
yang bermasalah dia.
Laptopnya.
Ditinggalkan tanpa pesan kita.
Yes, Mr. Oh,
Tapi
where
dia
is
pergi untuk kembali kok. Nah kan, pergi untuk kembali kan?
Okay.
Just go ahead,
Okay.
Pak.
Udah diterawang sama Bu Ivan.
Okay. Do you listen my voice?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just now I have.
Yeah,
Okay.
your
I have.
voice.
Okay. I have lived to come. Okay. I'm so sorry for this obstacle. Yeah. I'm so sorry to you, my students.
Yes.
Okay. We will continue again. Okay. Okay. Can you see it well?
No.
Can you see about learning suggestion?
Nothing?
No.
No.
No,
Not yet, sir.
nothing. Oh
I
yeah,
am
wait a minute.
waiting.
After this will come you.
Just a minute or 2
Not
minutes.
yet.
No problem.
Okay, wait a minute. Iki ya opo sih rek karepe kok gak kena entek iki rek. Ya Allah, ada apa dengan
Ya
saya ini?
Allah.
Belum kelihatan ya
Tergantung amal ibadah, Pak Imam.
pelanggaran ini.
Iya, kayak saya tadi.
Iya kayaknya.
Saya tadi malah super panik
Iya.
tadi saya.
Atau langsung aja saya cut aja ya, selesai aja kali ya.
Mungkin di share di WA, Pak.
Oh, sudah saya share di WA
Oh,
tadi
ini nih.
darinya.
Ini
Sudah share.
Oke.
Pak,
Bisa, ini bisa.
Sudah bisa, Pak Imam.
terlihat.
Mungkin harus
Bisa.
diamkan dulu.
Harus pelan ternyata.
Oh gitu. Oke, sudah
Pelan
kelihatan
tapi
ini?
pasti.
Oh,
Ya.
Sudah.
Oke.
Sudah.
Oh, sinyalnya memang terbaik. Oke, sudah kelihatan ya? Oke, learning suggestion. Do not begin with the words. So, with a, an, or the. So you have to begin with the like noun or verb like that, yeah, not an article. So that use present tense to describe action and give reader information that they can get just looking at photos. So you have give a brief explanation. Yeah. Okay, I think this one and the next. Okay, this is for suggestion. And okay, conclusion. I think this is the last. Yeah. Okay, this is a conclusion that caption text is short text located near the photo, the generic structure, etc. Okay, this is our material. And then now it's time for you to do the exercise. For the first exercise. Okay. About data collecting. Data collecting. Okay. What have you do in this? Oh my God.
Pelan tapi pasti ini, Pak.
Aduh, hang lagi. Hang lagi nih, gimana ini
Pasti
laptopnya ini?
jalan maksudnya Bu Iva.
Halo.
Atau pasti gimana?
Pelan tapi pasti.
Atau
Presentasinya
pasti diam
ini.
aja. Pelan tapi pasti diam. Oke.
Oh, itu, Pak, sudah.
Oke. Bismillah. Tadi
Oh.
belum bismillah sih
Oh,
ya.
hilang.
Mulai pelajarannya ya. Data collecting. Okay. For data collecting, I hope that I love you, not I love you, yeah. I love you to find. I love you, not I love you, but I love you. I love you. I love you to find one photo from newspaper or magazine or online media to find one photo with the caption. Yeah, find the photo with caption from newspaper, magazine, or online media. I give you time. It's about 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes to collecting data or to find some photo. Yeah, from that media. And then after that, you have to create the caption suitable with the rules in the photo you find using WhatsApp group application. So after you find the photo, you share it in the WhatsApp group application. Yeah, share in the group only. That you have done here, and then oh God, ya Allah, ya Allah, ya Allah. Okay. The data or the photo you find, you can stick here. Yeah, stick your photo or picture here and write the caption beside it. Yeah, I'll share this one in the group, and later you can stick the photo, write the caption, and then you have to print it, yeah, or you have to print or directly share in the group. Yeah, directly share, no problem. And then for exercise 2, where is exercise 2? Okay. Okay. What is exercise 2? Create a caption using your own photo. Yeah, you create a caption using your own photo. Like this one. All right. You see the handsome man here, yeah? All right. Day by day, we have to be better and better. This is the example, the photo and using our using a caption. Day by day, we have to be better and better. Okay, I think that's
Is your
all
photo,
my
Mister?
presentation.
Not bigger, sir.
Is it your photo, Mister?
Yes. No. It is maybe Baran,
Who's
ya,
that?
Aldo,
Maybe.
Aldebaran.
Oh,
Oh,
itu
Yeah.
pemain penggantinya ya, pemain cadangan ya.
Iya, stuntman-nya itu. Stuntman.
Tanya.
Stuntman.
All done,
Okay,
Pak?
this
Okay.
is my presentation. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. You've made it, right? You've made it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I think this is again minor. Okay, one thing. The first one thing is I don't think it's important for student to know the scenario of your lesson plan. So what I'm trying to say is lesson plan is for you as a teacher, not for your student. So no need to put on the slide your scenario that this is stimulation.
Oh,
No need to do that.
yes, yes.
Just do
Okay.
what you're supposed to do. No need to let them know that your observation or question or
Okay.
things ya. Itu skenario punya
Yes,
kita.
ma'am.
Kalau kita beritahu itu nggak surprise. Dan kalau sesuatu yang nggak surprise biasanya
Oh,
udah bisa ketebak. Kalau udah bisa ketebak,
oh,
anak-anak punya ini ya. So
yes.
just put a caption on it because the focus of your topic is a caption. So I think it's good for you to learn how to make a good caption too, right? For your
Yes, ma'am.
PowerPoint. Ya. Jadi mungkin captionnya instead of question atau instead of observation itu kita bilang captionnya di situ. What did you find atau what do you find interesting atau let's see this atau let's watch this atau is it good atau is it weird atau apalah gitu. Artinya bukan atau ini ya. Tidak perlu ditampilkan judul skenario pembelajaran itu dalam pembelajaran itu gitu menurut saya. Ya, just keep it for you and for your reference, and just play a role play gitu ya. Create your own role play di situ. Pak Imam, another thing is I'm worried I did misunderstood about your topic. Is it a caption or is it writing a caption or writing a slogan?
Actually, writing caption, ma'am. Yes, I'm yeah. My example is wrong, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
My example is wrong. That's right.
Right.
Yeah.
When it is a
Yeah.
caption,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it should explain a little bit, yeah.
Slow.
Give a hint.
Yes, yes.
Give a
Yeah.
hint atau
Yeah,
give
this
a
is contrast.
clue. Of the photo that is being presented. Yeah. While
Yes.
in the
Yes,
last example, you present your photo, and I don't think that it represents a caption. It's a slogan. Yeah. So
Yeah. Not
careful.
yet. Yes. Yes.
Ya, jadi harus berhati-hati
Okay.
sekali. Komen yang
Yes.
ketiga, Pak Imam, itu tentang I think we need to rethink about giving student a multi-layered task. Jadi kalau pekerjaan itu multi-layer itu artinya mereka mesti cari dulu di internet, habis itu mendownload, habis itu sharing, habis itu diskusi, itu kan multi-layer, Jangan lakukan itu dalam saat yang sama. Meaning bisa jadi begini. Bisa jadi minta mereka mencari foto itu sehari sebelumnya, sebelum ketemu di kelas hari ini. So just say to your student, guys, please come tomorrow in my class. Please come to the class by bringing a photo, that any kind of photo, atau mungkin photo that you can find from the headline of the newspaper, atau any photo that interests you, bring it to the class. Nah, jadi itu enggak layer pertama udah dilewati. Begitu anak-anak udah masuk, itu kan masih misteri ya. Bapak mau diapain ya fotonya gitu. Nah, baru nanti di kelas kita akan eksplorasi itu gitu. Misalnya, can you now show me your photo? Ambil aja 1, 2 dari siswa itu, kemudian minta mereka menunjukkan ya. Kalau itu secara online, Pak Imam, nah ini yang mesti kita pastikan bahwa anak-anak bisa sharing a photo at that particular time. Ya, karena kalau ternyata sharing, ayo silakan sharing fotonya. Terus mereka, Pak, di mana nih sharing screen-nya? Pak, jam gitu. Buat tuh panjang kayak gitu. Jadi menurut saya hindari hal-hal seperti itu. Hal-hal yang sudah terjadi di kelas sebelumnya, we need to take a lesson on that. Jadi misalnya sama seperti hari ini gitu ya. Apa yang misalnya terjadi tadi di kelas Bu Iva, itu Ibu Bapak harus antisipasi gitu di kelas berikutnya. Sama seperti kita artinya di trial ini sekedar ini barangkali penting atau tidak ya untuk Ibu Bapak. Saya baru tahu nih kalau bahkan sekelas guru-guru saya ketika kemarin S3 di Singapura, mereka itu kalau sebelum presentasi di conference itu, saya pikir mereka udah ngomong-ngomong aja loh, padahal mereka native speakers of English. Mereka selalu mengadakan acara yang disebut sebagai rehearsal, latihan, presentasi gitu. Saya tuh malu kadang, waduh saya tuh belum profesor, tapi saya kalau presentasi aja nggak latihan gitu. Padahal mereka itu profesor-profesor itu kalau sebelum presentasi mereka akan yuk rehearsal, ngundang mahasiswanya, mereka namanya mock presentation gitu, mocking atau mock interview atau mock presentation. Terus mereka presentasi, terus kita komentari dan mereka it's so open for to us gitu ya. Mereka sangat udah kasih komentar, kasih pertanyaan dari gitu. Maksud saya sharing screen, hal-hal yang seperti technical make sure you have plan A, plan B itu harus selalu ada gitu ya. But overall, jadi memang kita harus catatan besarnya hari ini adalah salah satunya TPACK-nya ini ya, yang nampaknya masih ya mungkin itu juga masih persoalan juga besar untuk saya. Technological, pedagogical, content knowledge ini yang masih PR kita bersama ya. Gitu bagaimana kita bisa survive within this technology based teaching and learning. But thank you Pak Imam, terlihat nervous tapi you share jokes, mungkin itu cara Pak Imam untuk
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ya. Sebenarnya saya
Yes, ma'am. I'm spontaneous.
Lucu.
iya, sebenarnya saya yakin Ibu Bapak itu lebih lancar kalau sama mahasiswanya sendiri sebenarnya ya. Kayaknya gitu ya.
Iya.
Kalau
Nervousnya tingkat dewa ini, ma'am.
Iya, oke deh. So that's all Bapak. Apa tadi ya? Teaching scenario-nya, kemudian
Oke.
simplify the student exercises, disederhanakan lagi.
Yes.
Yang multi-layer tadi tuh disederhanakan bagaimana mereka ini bisa ini.
Siap.
Oke?
Yes, ma'am.
More
Thank you so
exercises.
much.
While I think Bu Iva and then tadi Pak Taufik, kemudian Bu Lila are to me successful in giving atau incorporating student atau involving student to work. Itu sepertinya hal ini yang masih menjadi PR-nya Pak Imam nih. Pak Imam belum bisa nih ngasih anak-anak ini yang di Jimit ini pekerjaan untuk menjawab. Kayaknya gitu.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Nggak tega atau apa ya. Tadi yang sebelumnya
Nggak tega saya.
ya. Thank you so much Bu Sasi.
Oke.
Terima kasih Pak Imam. Sebenarnya
Yes, Bu.
you have many jokes, so you can use that joke to your students. Saya yakin itu Pak. Dengan
Yeah.
orangnya orang yang riang gembira, jadi bisa dipakai sih sebenarnya untuk itu. Cuman jenengan nervous hari ini, jadi ya memang gugup. Apalagi tadi ada kendala di itu ya, pada
teknisnya.
Iya, sehingga ya bagaimanapun juga sebuah kendala itu membuat kita semakin gugup. But
Yeah.
seperti saya sedikit menambahkan yang Bu Leli cerita tadi tentang multi layernya tadi Pak, mungkin jenengan bisa
Yes, Bu.
memakai yang unjuk kerja ya Pak ya, yang di dalamnya ada rencana. Jadi anak-anak butuh waktu beberapa hari, di sana ada rencana, ada macam-macam. Saya lupa itu, ya Allah, barusan saya lihat, kok saya jadi lupa. Unjuk kerja di dalamnya ada bagian-bagian dari preparation, kemudian pelaksanaan, kemudian ada hasilnya dan sebagainya seperti itu. Mungkin bisa dipakai dengan metode itu untuk penilaiannya. Kemudian saya tadi heran, conclusion berarti jenengan membuat sendiri conclusion sehingga siswa, kalau seperti itu menurut anggapan saya siswa pasif dong Pak, karena hanya menunggu, karena mereka hanya menerima conclusion dari jenengan.
Menerima ya.
Apakah benar seperti itu atau saya yang salah
Benar Bu,
melihat tadi,
benar,
ya?
memang conclusion dari saya.
Oh kantan.
Conclusionnya dari saya, Mem. Iya.
Oh iya, jadi akhirnya metode pembelajaran yang metodenya memakai apa Pak?
Sebenarnya discovery learning.
Nah, discover learning kan harusnya siswa ya yang menemukan. Nah itu mungkin di situ Pak.
Betul. Mestinya memang begitu ya.
Yang saya lihat hanya itu aja dulu Pak. Kalau yang selebihnya ya sudah dibahas oleh Bu Leli. Jadi sedikit saya menambahkan tadi yang multiple layer mungkin bisa dipakai dengan unjuk kerja, penilaian unjuk kerja itu.
Siap.
Kemudian yang untuk conclusionnya itu depending dulu setelah anak-anak diberi kesempatan membuat conclusion. Jadi biar anak-anak mencari informasi data dari data yang didapat anak-anak, kemudian baru anak-anak diajak bercakap-cakap, kemudian anak-anak kira-kira nih konklusinya apa dan lain-lain seperti itu. Matur nuwun, itu saja Bapak.
Yes. Nggih, matur nuwun Bu Sasi.
Sami-sami.
Bu Nisa?
Yes, actually cuma nambahin sedikit karena tadi sudah banyak disampaikan.
Banyak juga enggak Pak.
Untuk tadi kan dari awal jenengan sudah mengajak kita untuk yang merelatekan dengan apa yang biasa kita lakukan, seperti menanya foto tadi ya. Mungkin jenengan supaya anak-anak itu bisa lebih relate ke kehidupan mereka, mungkin jenengan bisa meminta anak-anak untuk showing their posting on Facebook or Instagram, and then ask them to show what they write. Kan kalau di Facebook atau Instagram kan pasti ada caption di bawahnya itu kegiatannya mereka ngapain kan biasanya ada, itu kan sangat-sangat relate. Mungkin itu saja dari saya. Overall tadi yang ngantuk-ngantuk siang-siang, terima kasih sudah diajak. Jadi ya agak melek.
Oke, thank you Mbak Nisa. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bu Nisa, you have